Bonjour. Bonjour.
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Is There Material Season 1, Episode 4. Just before beginning this episode, I want to talk about the 3 first episodes that we had for this show. I want to talk about them and also to respond to some of your comments. I responded to you on the comments, but I want also to respond to you on video. I know that I'm talking a lot about the books when I'm watching the episodes. I know that, and I warned you about that. I warned you that it was going to be difficult for me to watch this show without making comparison, with the books. Like, it's difficult for me to watch The Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter, or Game of Thrones without making comparisons with the books. I think that it's like that when you have an adaptations of books that you like, that you loved, and that you are watching them on screen. Of course you're gonna make comparison. So I warned you about that in each of my intro and also on the subtitles of each beginning of the reaction part of my videos, but still you are surprised by me making comparison with the books. I'm gonna say it again, I read the books, so maybe I'm gonna tell spoilers about the books during the episodes, and maybe I'm gonna make comparison with the books during the episode. Maybe you can watch the show without thinking about the books, but I can't. It was books that I loved so much when I was young that I can't just accept some change and not talking about how it's disturbing me or not, how I'm feeling about them changing that or that. I can't, really I can't. So again, if you want someone who didn't read the books and who is not gonna make comments and comparisons with the books, go find a new reactor. I think that there are a lot of reactors now for this show, so I think that you can find one with fitting, with what you want. I'm sorry to tell that, and I'm sorry if you are leaving me because of that, but I want to be honest with you. And I don't want to change my reactions, I don't want to change my first reactions when something is happening on screen. That's how I'm imagining my reaction videos. I'm not making them to be dishonest with you or with me. I'm not making them to just please you. No, I'm making them for sharing my first reactions about an episode and also to share my thoughts, my opinions and my theories about shows during each intro and review. I know that they are long, but I'm taking that time to explain you my thoughts, my opinions and my theories. So please take also that time to watch them and to not give me wrong opinions that are not mine into the comments. That's something that I have trouble to understand, when you are commenting something like, oh, you are reacting like that and that. I'm like, no, not at all. If you watch my review, you know that. Also, I want to admit that I read the books when I was young, but it was a long time ago. I'm not gonna tell you how old I am, but it was a long time ago. I didn't read them since a long time, and I don't have the books right now in my apartment. They are at my parents' house, so sometimes I'm reminding something about the books, but it's something that I'm reminding from the last time that I read the books, so a long time ago. So sometimes I can be wrong, with what I remember about the books, and in fact it's not happening in the books. I'm saying that because of the last episode. I know that I said a lot that Lyra was learning too soon, that Azriel was her father, that Mrs. Coulter was her mom, all of their story, all of their couple, the relationship that they had. In my head, I had the impression that it was later on the books, but you told me on the comments that it was not so far away from that time, you know, on the books, and I believe you with that, I believe you. So I was wrong, and I'm sorry that I was wrong. But like I said, I read the books a long time ago when I was young, and I didn't read them just before beginning this binge watching of the show because I don't have them right here. But I'm gonna be at my parents' house during this weekend, so I'm gonna take the books with me, and when I'm gonna think about something, you know, that for me is too soon or that for me it's a big change with the books, I'm gonna check it, you know, I'm gonna do my homeworks and I'm gonna check it on the books before making my review. Not before the episode, but before making my review. Between the moments of the reaction part and between my review, I'm gonna check if the details and the change that bothered me during the episode, were they on the books or not, and stuff like that. And that's why, you know, I'm admitting it. Maybe I was wrong about the fact that it was not so soon, you know, for Lyra to know all of that stuff. It was not with these characters, and I know that I'm right about that, and that's why maybe it disturbed me, you know. But I'm still surprised by some of your comments telling me that the list of names didn't exist. You know, the list of the child names. It's still bothering me because I have such a clear, you know, memory about that moment, about reading that moment. I'm even remembering a scene with Pantaleimon being just like that on Lyra's shoulder and watching at the list of names also. So I can admit that I'm wrong with things because I didn't read the book since a long time, but that one, I'm not so sure. I don't know. I really don't know, and I will give you an update about that during this weekend on Twitter or during the next video about the next episode of His Dark Materials, if I was right or wrong about that. You know, I don't know how to say it in English, I'm not dumb, I'm not like I'm always right and you're always wrong. No, I can admit when I'm wrong, and I can also give you the reasons why I might be wrong. I'm not saying that I have the only truth in this world, and yes, I can admit when I'm wrong. So I was wrong about Lyra learning all of that stuff so soon. I was wrong about that. I was not wrong about Lyra not having these informations like that, but about the list of names, I'm still wondering about that. Why do I have this memory so clear in my head? I didn't imagine it. You saw me, you saw my reaction during the episode 2 when she's leaving the study of Mrs. Coulter just like that without finding the list. I'm seeing it directly, you know, I'm seeing it like, why didn't she find the list of names? It was something so important on the books and all of that. I'm really seeing it directly, so I have trouble to think that I dreamed that scene, you know. Maybe I did. I don't know. I'm gonna check that during this weekend, and I will tell you that on Twitter, and I think also on the next video. And I will show you on the next video also the covers of the French versions of the books that are really nice. So yes, I will show you that and I will update you about that. So yes, it was a long intro, short resume about it. I read the books a long time ago. I loved them. So that's why I'm making comparison with the books during the episode. That's why I can tell also spoilers about them during the episode. I'm not gonna change that, I'm sorry, but maybe sometimes I will be wrong about that because I didn't read them since a long time ago. And I'm not saying all of that, and I'm not planning to do all of that just to please you. No, I'm also planning to do that, and I'm also saying all of that because I want to be honest with you, I want to be clear with you. And I was also really sorry that one of you watched my reaction videos and skipped the part of the intro and skipped also, you know, the 21st seconds of the reaction part where I'm writing, you know, in subtitles that I read the books, so maybe I'm gonna tell spoilers. Someone did that, someone skipped the intro and skipped that first 20 seconds and he learned spoilers because of me, and I'm really sorry about that, because I'm really trying to not let you watch my reactions videos without knowing that I read the books and that maybe you're gonna have spoilers about the books during my reactions. And I really tried, but it wasn't enough for this person, and I'm really sorry about that. But I don't know what I can do, you know, more to avoid that. I'm saying it at each intro and I'm putting it in subtitles at each beginning of reaction video. I can't do more than that, or maybe I can, and if you have any suggestion, please tell me that on the comments and maybe I will try it, I will see that. Okay, that was a long intro and I hope that you watched it, because I really made it for you to respond to your comments on my last reaction videos, because I tried to respond to all of you on the comments, but I want also to respond to you on video, to explain you that I read the books, I loved the books, I'm gonna make comparison with the books, I'm gonna tell spoilers, I'm trying to warn you in each intro and each beginning of reaction part to avoid that you have spoilers about the books, but if you don't pay attention to that moment, it's not my fault, you know. And I read the books a long time ago, so sometimes I'm gonna be right and sometimes I'm gonna be wrong with my first reactions during the episode, but not during this episode, but during the next episode. I'm gonna take a moment between the reaction part and the review to check the books and to give you a review with stuff that are really into the books. Am I clear with all of that? I'm not sure. Okay, stop it and let's go for this episode 4. Oh, and also it's really a cloudy day and maybe it's gonna rain, so I'm sorry if it's disturbing for you with the noise and the lights, but I can't change the weather. We are into the clouds. I'm not watching trailers for episodes, I'm just watching trailers for seasons because I want to be surprised by a show. We're gonna meet Lee now? Oh! I loved his demand. Lee. When I'm beginning to sing, you know, during the opening credits, it's really a good sign, you know. It's really the sign that I'm falling into a show. Will, I really hope that they're not gonna show Will until the end of the season. That's a big change that can really make me mad. I prefer to warn you. He was one of my favorite characters. Yorek. Where do I know you? I mean the actor. I'm gonna put it right here on subtitles if I'm gonna find it. Witches! I cannot wait! Yes, I cannot wait to see Serafina. You're not gonna use it in public, really?
The witch council is a link between the human world and the witches, even the cycle to pass on this John.
And we need the witches.
Yes!
You want to know everything.
I'm so excited! I didn't imagine Trollson like that, but it's fitting, you know, with some of the aspects that I imagined about it, you know. I'm gonna be like that, like a little child, until we're gonna see her.
There's an organization that's capturing
And until we're gonna see your wreck also.
taking them north. And with her help, they're taking some distance inland.
Do you know what happens to them there?
Uh-huh.
Indecision. The process is shrouded in secrecy, but the rumors are disturbing.
Yes,
I understand you are in possession
I'm really afraid with the moment.
of the Omnitum.
I was gonna say the moment when they're gonna discover what an intercision is.
I can read it.
You are very wise to say so. Show us. Which one is Seraphina Pecker's?
I wanted to have one so much.
Carry this spray with you. If you ever truly need her, she will come. May have heart, with magisterium and muscle.
They have to, they're Egyptians.
Contain services an armored bear. I understood the armored bear's answer to nobody.
I'm so excited.
Exile. His name is Yorick Bernison.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yorick Bernison!
Please be great. Please be good. Please be believable.
We need fighters, or in all probability, we will. My men do broken machinery. I lift heavy objects.
You're like,
I know the people you are seeking. That child your cutters.
And are you a coward like they are?
A coward. I am not for sale.
okay, it's working for me. I mean, how it's done, you know, how it's created, and also the expressions of his face. It's working for me, it's working for me! We have Lee and Yurek.
Good to see you again, Marissa. I'm passing leadership of the Ablation Board on to Father MacPhail.
You should be done. Now should I tell you why you are?
She's frightening!
I have Lord Asriel.
I'm scared of her. She's really Mrs. Coulter.
In a jail. Controlled by bears who are, in this case, controlled by me.
Oh, when she's smiling.
I will travel to the north, and I will be...
And you will allow me to ask one question of Frau Pavel. It is a lethiometer.
Shall we see it?
Yes, I have it.
Ah,
Myra,
the actress is amazing.
What happened between you and Seraphina?
we loved each other.
Loved which?
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna make a comparison with the books. She's learning that on the alethiometer, Lyra. Lee! You're there.
You know what a bear looks like, don't you?
Nah.
Big coat, big teeth, cute little nose.
Lee! I love you! I love his demand so much. I'm smelling like a little child, really. Ah. I'm stopping to smile each time that she is on screen.
It's a simple one. Who is Lyra Belacqua?
She's the girl from the prophecy. And you know it.